Why do I can't solve this bullshit?
This is a standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Even a kid can solve this.
Oh, really? Then solve it, you oversmart. Sure.
It's damn easy full stuff.
For?
Baby donkey.
Rotating, twisting, twisting, rotating, rotating, twisting. What the heck, buddy? You are trying to hypnotize me, nothing more.
Is your patience gone for the bar?
Oh, hello. It's my extreme patience that I am sitting in front of you and still waiting for your magic.
Bingo! Solve a regular scrambled Rubik's Cube is not a magic. Anyone can solve this. Let me show you a real magic that no one will be smart enough to solve this Rubik's Cube again. Except that who scrambled the Rubik's Cube.
So what is that?
Is scrambling technique.
Show me.
Okay, first of all, make sure that the Rubik's Cube is solved correctly.
Check.
Place it on the plan surface carefully, that the cube shouldn't scramble itself.
Roger that.
Put the yellow side upward and the red side facing towards you.
Okay.
Now take anything that have a flat small edge. Look closely. There is a cap on middle box of the yellow side. Remove it. And open the screw from inside. Don't breathe so hard. It's just a screwdriver inside a Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
Now pull this piece out slowly. Pick up this yellow and red edge. Flip it. And place it again. Put the middle piece back. Screw it. And press the cap.
Got it.
Now scramble it or not. Now it will never be solved by anyone in the whole world.